Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing Roccabox. This is not just your ordinary Roccabox. This is actually a mystery box that I paid for. It was £10, so just the same as the normal subscription box. Now, I've had this for a little while, so I can't really remember the ins and outs of it, but it was something like you could get 5 to 7 products in it for £10, and I think it was just like things that they were overstocked on, so they just wanted to find a way, I guess, to get rid of it. So I thought I'd give it a try and see what we get for £10. So shall we have a look and see what's inside? So when you open it, you get all these pink things. Let's get rid of all these. Oh, so many. Okie dokie. And I will tell you, you don't get a leaflet like you normally do. So I'm going in blind here, God help us. Right, so the first product I see is called a Calming Skin Balm, and this is by Temple Spa. Sorry, I can't read nor speak today. It smells lovely. Wow, that's nice. That is lovely. That is so nice. So I don't know what the retail price or anything, where you could actually buy it yourself, but that is really nice. This is called Peace Be Still Calming Skin Balm. So that's the first item. Next we have, oh, I feel like we've seen this before. This is the Saint-Tropez. Is this for your face? Oh, it just says self tan, natural glowing skin, bronzing water mousse, aqua mousse bronze. That's not a mousse, is it? I don't know. Pretty sure I've seen this before though. I think we had it in one of our other boxes. I think I gave mine away actually. Oh, it does. It comes out like a mousse. Oh my god, but it's like water. Okay. Well, I look forward to giving that a go because I'm right into my tanning at the minute. It feels like oil. It feels really weird. It's got a smell to it, but not like overloaded sort of like self-tanning lotion normally does have. So I will give that a go, possibly on my legs, see how we get on with it. And then item 3. Oh, I've got some Ardell lashes. Oh, that's different. Lightweight, comfortable, natural hair. Okay, well, I'm going to try and bung them on, but I'm not one for lashes, to be fair. But they don't look too bad, so I'll give them a go. You don't get, oh yeah, you get glue with it as well. Not bad. Okay, I look forward to trying them. Next we have a lipstick. This is by Smashbox. Beautiful colour, definitely the sort of colour I would use. Oh, I love the applicator as well. It was like so cute. Let's try that on. I like that. Definitely something I would use. Definitely like the colour. Really happy with that. Love it. There's not much else I can really tell you about it. And then I can see we have, what's this? Oh, this is a lip mask. And this is by Freeman's Plumping Manuka Honey and Nectarine Lip Mask. Instantly hydrates and softens for fuller lips. Okay, look forward to that. And it's in the shape of a pair of lips. You can see that just here. So look forward to that. Then I see we have Revitalizing Mask. This is by, oh, what does that say? PCA Skin. That's this. Oh, it's got one of them security thingies on it. Oh, not sure about that. It comes out like snot, for want of a better word. It just looks like green snot. No. Sorry, I don't like that. No, that's not nice. Oh, that's not nice. No, thank you. And last item, we have a brush. This is by, it's a classic foundation brush. It's a 115 and it's by Naya. That's how you pronounce it, N-I-R-E. So I look forward to that. Beautiful and soft. Yes, that's very nice. Like that a lot. Okay, so I would say that's pretty good value for £10, guys. What do you think? Now, as far as I know, they still have this available if you want to jump online and get one. It's £10 plus £3.95 postage and packaging. So I thought that was good value, and I would definitely do that again. Not only do we have that, but we have this one. This is July's normal subscription box, which again is £10, £3.95 postage and packaging. Our goodies look like this, and you get a leaflet saying what's what. Okie dokie. So it says, Happy July. Despite the good old British weather being a bit naff, someone please bring back last summer. We're determined to help you feel summery. So let's take these pink things out and have a look at our products. Like that. Look nice, don't they? We've got a lot in there. Right, okay, so the first thing I see is called a Mercy Handy Refreshing Face Mist, £4.50. Spray your troubles away in a cloud of love. This pocket-sized face mist bottle with a big heart. So it looks like there's 3 fragrances you could get. So there's a pink one called Flower Power, soft fragrance of a bouquet of flowers. There's a yellow one called Hello Sunshine, a fragrance of faraway beaches. And then there's like a bluey green, a refreshing hint to send you far, far away. You can get this at mercyhandy.com, and this is a full-size product. So clearly I've got the bluey greeny colour. So shall we give it a spray? Okay. That is so nice. Oh my God, how refreshing is that? That is lovely. That is definitely going in my handbag. You know, when you get that really hot, particularly when I first get in a car, I'm like, whoa. That is nice, and it smells delicious. Okay, that is lovely. I'm ranting about that one. Next product I see is called Beauty Pro Nourishing Collagen Sheet Mask. This is at £4.95 with olive extract, award-winning anti-aging formula that combats fine lines, wrinkles, sun damage, dull skin while improving skin clarity, rebalance uneven skin tone and diminish pigmentation. So let's have a look. That's this one. I look forward to trying that. It's suitable for all skin types. Dual function mask, lightweight, single use only. So yeah, look forward to trying that. And you can get this, is available from beautypro.com, and it's a full-size product. Next in my box I see is called Grow Gorgeous Rescue and Repair Duo for £14. Oh my God, this is so good. Let's put these down because I keep going to drop them. So we have perfect mini travel companions formulated with amino acids and bamboo extract. The super duo revive and help strengthen damaged hair, improving elasticity and resilience to breakage. Vegan, cruelty free and paraben free. Get an exclusive 25% off with the code blah blah blah. This is available at growgorgeous.co.uk. So obviously you get shampoo, which is that one, and conditioner, which is obviously that one. So let's have a smell. Oh, smells lovely. Smells really nice. That's a shampoo. Let's just see the consistency of the conditioner, whether it's a thick or... smells lovely. It smells really nice, guys. Oh, I look forward to trying that. So, did I say they were £14? I'm guessing £14 with both. So, I look forward to trying that. It's great that you get both. I love that. And a nice size as well. So, you're going to get a couple of washes out of that, at least. Right, next I see is called Pixie Beauty Sheer Butter Lip Balm, £8. Awaken lips with the super nourishing balm. The unique formula is rich but lightweight and gives a gorgeous wash of colour to lips. In one of 3 shades, either natural rose, sweet peach or honey nectar. So I got, looks like natural rose. Yeah, got natural rose. So let's see if I can navigate opening this. Might take a while, guys, because I'm hopeless. Oh, straight away. Blimey, I'm on a roll today. I managed to open a mascara earlier from another box straight away. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, there is a lot of colour payoff on that. Look at that, guys. And I like this colour. In fact, I liked all of them, so I wouldn't have been fussed which one I got. So yeah, I look forward to trying that. It's pretty packaging. Look at that. Stunning. Like that. Okay, and you can get that from pixiebeauty.co.uk. I feel like I've already said that. Sorry, apologies if I did. Next I see an After Spa makeup remover, £5.50. Which is this. So this magic makeup remover removes all types of makeup with no cleansers needed. The only thing you need is warm water. Machine wash before use, then wet and let the magic happen. An ultra soft woven polyester blend cloth free of chemicals and lasts up to 1,000 washes. And this is available at boots.com. This is a full-size product. So I really look forward to trying that. I'm not even going to attempt to get into that because I don't think I'll be able to. No. But there you go, you can see it, right? Now, if this really works, it would be amazing. You just literally don't need any, like, cleansers or anything to get rid of your makeup. I'll be interested to see whether it actually removes, like, mascara, because my mascara can be a sod sometimes to get rid of. Okie dokie, and our final product is called Organic Tampon Sample, or this is the samples one. Comes like this. Most tampons contain plastic, pesticides even, bleach and glues. Well, I never knew that. That's why Dame tampons are made from nothing but 100% organic cotton. They're free from toxins, hypoallergenic, biodegradable for healthy period and healthy planet. Perfect to pop inside your bag in case of emergencies. These are available from wearadam.com, and normal price would be £3.49 for a box of 14. So there you go. I don't know. I'm not sure whether you're going to be interested in seeing these, guys, but I will. And that's what you get, one of these. Okay, so I have to say that, you know, this box has really impressed me. Roccabox for me is like hitting it at the moment. I like the idea that you get quite a different, varied, like you get makeup, you get the hair stuff, you get skin stuff. It's not just all aimed at face creams and, you know, moisturisers and stuff. Yeah, I'm really feeling Roccabox at the minute. I have got a discount code that I will leave in my description somewhere if you want to click onto it. I think you get a percentage off your first box. It'll all be explained in my description. So that's both boxes done for Roccabox. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more from yours truly, please hit that one or that one. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that one. So have the rest of the good day, and I will speak to you in the next one. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.